Ready to level up your app and get paid securely? Let's dive into how to integrate Stripe with Supabase to handle payments like a pro. First, you'll need to snag your Stripe API keys and set up your Supabase project. Think of these as the secret handshakes that let the two services talk to each other in Supabase. You'll store the Stripe secret key securely as an environment variable or use Supabase's secrets management feature. Now, let's create a Supabase function. This is where the magic happens. This function will use the Stripe API to create a checkout session. When a user is ready to pay, you'll define the product details, prices, and success. Cancel URLs here. Make sure to enable the Edge runtime for lightning fast performance. Next, set up Stripe Webhooks. These are crucial for confirming successful payments. When payment goes through, Stripe will send a notification to a specific endpoint in your Supabase function. This function will then update your Supabase database to reflect the successful transaction. Mark orders as paid or manage subscriptions. Inside your Supabase Webhook function, you'll verify the Webhook signature for security. This ensures that the notification is actually coming from Stripe. Then, update your Supabase database to reflect a successful payment. Think updating order statuses, granting access to premium features for subscribers, and more. And that's it. By using Stripe with Supabase, you can securely handle payments, manage subscriptions, and offer a seamless checkout experience for your users. Now go build something amazing.